appropriately, I pay attention, I use precision, which precision doesn't mean right answer, it means precise language. I model with mathematics, like there's 8 of those, and those are the student side. Like those are the ways of being as a mathematician that students should be engaging in with content. These are actually the teaching practices. This is what our teachers should be using as effective practices. And I'll give you just a moment to read through those 8. This is a phenomenal book. If you don't have it, I would really strongly recommend getting a copy. You did not hear me say this out loud, and I will deny it if you ever say that I did. But if you just Google Principles to Action PDF, someone like put it on the internet. So, FYI. If you need to just like, that's what I do when I'm somewhere and I don't have my book with me and I'm like, oh, there's that page that I want to refer to. It is kind of out there, but you know, we should also not violate copyright laws. We're going to focus on 2 of these today. We're really going to lean into use and connect mathematical representations. You actually saw me start doing that today, where we talked about some of those different representations that were used, and build procedural fluency from conceptual understanding. We also started that process today, where we helped build conceptual understanding that could potentially lead to us being able to write a system of equations in a fluent way, right? We started seeing that a little bit with our experience. So we're going to start with the effective teaching practice 3, which is the use and connect mathematical representations. We're going to do a protocol called Last Word. This is a protocol that actually comes from EL, which is the literacy curriculum that we use in elementary through, my words are hard, 8th grade. But it's a protocol that could be used in any sort of professional learning space. What I'm going to ask you to do is this. You're going to read a short synopsis. You're just reading this chunk of Principles to Action. And you're going to highlight your most important sentence or idea. After we've done that, I'm going to explain the protocol that we're going to use. So we'll start by giving everyone about 3 minutes to read through this. 3 doesn't seem like very many, but there's a lot of graphics and charts and things in here. I'll check in at 3 and see if we need more